today we're playing FIFA 15 on the PC world. That is right. So you're gonna open a pack and I'm gonna go for this one. Come on, my first, well, not really a pack, but come on, we can do this. Come on, bro. Come on, Hurwin. Wait. Oh yes, let's do this. Got Zebra. Oh, wait, no. What? How am I supposed to move? Alright, come on, bruh. Okay, my heel. Sounds weird saying, but come on. So this is my team, EMS. Okay, good. Oh, they got Lewandowski. What are the controls? Wait, what are the controls? Pause the game. I can't pause the game. I don't know the controls. Wait, pause. So I guess D is shoot, W is pass, space is sprint, and then how am I supposed to move? Is it this? I'm gonna guess so. Oh my gosh, I don't get the controls in this. Why do this? Oh my gosh. How am I supposed to move? Oh, I get it. Okay, I know how to move now. It's okay, people. What the fuck? Controls in this is so hard. Seriously, it's hard. Like, oh, it's offside. Great. Good. Come on, mate. Oh wait, W is S is pass. Read. Didn't. Wait, what am I supposed to? I forgot where I'm supposed to find. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that, mate. Oh, come on. Why? How do I slide tackle? I think it's pause it. Come on, mate. It's mate. Oh my gosh, that was almost a goal. Bruh, I would be shocked if that was a goal. No. Okay, come on. Do this. You can do this, brass. Do it. Oh. Yes, bros, that is what I'm talking about, mate. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, baby, I'm so happy. Oh, the screen is so... Okay. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, mate. That's what I'm talking about. It's part of the screen. Just Oh, so that's help. Change that. I don't want to do that. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. It is 1-0. It is 1-0. So I believe. Oh, okay. Okay, come on, let's go. I'm just getting used of the tutorial, so I'm sorry if like I kind of flop, because it's my first time playing like this PC thing, this FIFA 15 PC game, and I just scored. I'm pressing D. Why is that working? Boom. Oh no, I pressed D. why the goalie is so dumb. Get this mouse out of the way. Whoa. I didn't want to do that. Oh, I get the ball. The hell? What is? Oh, that passing though. Yes, yes, yes. And it is the miss. Come on, breast. Come on, breast. Come on, breast. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, so that's how I skipped. Yeah, birds. Oof. It's going good, mate. It's going good. Nil. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, mate. I pressed the button by accident. Oh, mate. No, mate. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. Run. Sprint that. Sprint like. How rude. Come, mate. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. Dang it, that was bad. Mate, the controls are so bad. Woo. I just realized that was risky. Yes, mate. Oh. Oh. This play has been set up, mate. This has been set up. And it is the second goal of the day. Yes. Yes. That is what I'm talking about, mate. Yes. Yeah, do that. Okay, let's do this. Breath. 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 No breath. No. Skip. Said skip. Oh my god, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Beautiful. As hell. That was beautiful. As hell. Set up again. I swear, these players are so dumb. Oh my days! Oh my days! Oh my days! That goal was the easiest goal I've ever scored in FIFA. The hell? I'm not. Oh, cool. Oh, that's why it was so easy. I was thinking. Oh no! I didn't mean to do that. LOL. Right. I think I'm muted or something. How do you think? Oops. The hell? Hey. Oh, thought that went out. Haha. Mate. Run. Run. Why? Oh, okay, good. LOL. Yes, mate. Oh my god. He let go of the Why is scratching your why is scratching your ear? Stop. He was scratching his ear. It's so weird. Weird, mate. It's weird. How do you slide tackle? Wow. I think that's the biggest flop I've done. Oh damn. Oh damn, I'm so hot. 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 I don't know why I did that. I'm so hot. I'm so hot. I'm so hot. Oh, I'm so hot. Okay. Doing good, doing good, doing good. 5-0, baby. So I'm talking about. Let's do this. I can't sit around and not do anything. If that's what they're asking. Seriously, I can do that. Anyway, it's almost finished anyway, so I don't really have to score anything else, but the fuck. Can I? No, can I not press? Wait, what just happened? Oh, I get a ball for some reason. I get the ball. Can I get the ball? Can I get ball? Balls. Damn it. Look at that pausing skill, bro. Oh, wait. I did that on purpose. I did that on purpose, ladies and gentlemen. How do you... I don't even know the controls. I'm just pressing buttons. Seriously, mate? Whoops. Yay! Yay, mate! I'm the best at FIFA, mate. I'm just beast. Look at that. Oh yeah, 6-0. 6-0. That is what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Yeah, beast. Beast, bro. Beast. Wait, I wanna go online on this. It's almost over. Wait, let me get the ball and do it like I don't know. Just like hold it, try not to get tackled. I'll still try to get the score as well. Oh, this is probably the saddest game of that team. 6-0. God damn. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. What do we get? What? We are sorry, but there has been an error. Why do I get 0 coins? I scored 16. Can't really see it, but I'm dancing. That's a very, very dancing. Yeah. Why? Oh, we got 0 coins. What? And the reward. Okay. Oh, we get to open packs. Yeah, let's do how many cup? Oh, we only get 4. Let's open them anyway. Come on. Come on. My first pack in FIFA 15. And we get no one. Just save them. Right, this is my second pack, or that's what's like to be my first pack. Sorry, mate, I just had to say that. I just want to get more coins. But this is my first pack. But wait, no, this is my third pack. I thought that's what's like to be my first pack. Oh my gosh. We get no one. Really crap. I'm gonna sell this. I just want to get one more. Woo! We get a lot of money. That's what I'm talking about, mate. That's what I'm talking about. This is my fourth pack. Where's Dexter's YD? My first. Oh! We gotta go. We gotta go. Yes. Wait, that's not really that good, but still. That's my first gold. That's my first gold. Right, let me put that in my transfer list. This is my transfer list. And so this sounds like, oh my god. It's really expensive. Anyway, so just guys, I didn't care. And the rest, save all in my club. God damn. Look at this silver pack. Save up. What is this? What is this? Messy. But what the hell? But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, or us. Okay. I'll open packs. Or like try to get. Anyways, guys, I'll be ending the video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this new series to the channel, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you